Hi everybody, welcome back to Matt Sally TV. So I wanted to make this video because today I've been on social media like Twitter, Facebook and things like that, and I've seen many people sharing videos of this incident and it really horrified me. It's very scary. Early this morning there was a huge explosion at an oil refinery in a region called Indramayu in Indonesia. At the oil refinery is called Balongan, and it is just, I was shocked when I seen the videos. They still don't know if anybody's been injured or have died yet, so hopefully not. People who live in the vicinity of the oil refinery have actually been evacuated to nearby areas and Islamic centres taking people in. But I just wanted to show some videos, so if you don't know, you can actually see it.
Woi, Pertamina kebakaran woi. Woi. Panas ya Allah. Reva na woi krokodil woi. Panas yakin demi Allah. Bantu woi.
So you see people there so close to this. I hope they're staying safe. Looks like a collage of different angles of it.
Pertamina kebakaran.
You can see it's still burning today in the daytime, and you can really see how big it is from this video. There must be so many people who live near there. I hope they're safe, and I hope if anybody was in the refinery, they're safe. This is the video I seen first, and when I seen it, my heart just sank. Just the sheer size of it. It's frightening. So you can actually hear people screaming. If there's any way anybody can help, please put the links in the comments and let us know what we can do. People who live outside Indonesia, let us know what we can do to actually help this situation. It's even over international news. I've got family in the UK who already messaged me today asking me about it. So yeah, again, I just hope everybody there is safe. I hope there's been no deaths, no injuries. We can just pray and hope for the best. If you're from Indonesia, please stay safe and